home.
There's so many big chunks down there that the lawnmower hit it.
Well, that's where I was wondering of using this thing, because I don't care about this thing. I found it. I don't really want to drive over it with the rod and lawnmower unless I know what's there.
Yeah. You got big things, roots down over there and everything.
So that's where I brought that. And it was kind of a little bit more work because I just mowed all this by hand. But I kind of needed to do it just to make sure nothing's here.
Big leak came all down the other day.
Oopsie daisy.
Huh? Got some other ones if you need to hit those.
Nah. This one, honestly, I didn't want because it was bent. We just took it out of my brother's fence. He may have wanted to keep it, but nope, he's not.
You have better concrete for each one.
Huh?
Maybe you have some concrete.
Oh, Tim wants to go get the concrete and do it.
Yeah. Alright, I'll hold it up though.
He's a tough man to talk to some days.
I said the whole Blaho out and he wanted it done another way. So man, keep changing everything every other 2 weeks.
He said duct tape it up. I mean, that's a little bit better than duct tape.
Yeah, he don't know nothing. He don't know nothing.
He seems like a good guy.
He don't even know what a nail and a screw is.
Probably right.
He ain't mechanically inclined after that,
You figure he'd know what a nail is, being a religious man.
Yeah, none of that stuff.
Yeah, he was kind of rushing me this morning. I'm like, Tim, you know, I talked to you the other day, and you said for me to touch base with you. Huh?
He don't want to pay no money.
Well, that's right. I was wondering what he's gonna pay me for this. I'm not trying to be mean, man. Like I came to y'all's church. I respect you. You know, I have nothing but respect for religious. If that's your thing, that's fine. It's not my cup of tea. You know, it's just not my cup of tea. Like, maybe in a few years, like cigarettes, you know? You know, give it a few years and I'll be into it. But I know he wanted me. Seems like he wants me to do a lot of this for the church out of the kindness of my heart.
I know. I can't do everything.
Ooh, that sounded like concrete.
God.
Let's go back a little bit. I gotta go home and fix my fence. I gotta finish my sliding glass door. It's like I said to him, hey Tim, I didn't realize, you know, you said noon. If I would have realized you wanted me here sooner, I would have loaded my truck and trailer last night. I didn't know what I was doing, so I didn't load it. I don't have a garage, but I had this scaffold and I put the scaffold up and I made it to where the water and the sun and the water stays off it, and I parked the Dixie chopper under it. I really don't want to pull it out if it's gonna rain, and you know, but I need to run it. But pretty soon here we ain't gonna be running nothing. Nope.
Very little.
Because right now I'm wondering, is he gonna want me to mow the yard after this?
Probably because next Saturday we gotta. Just by next Saturday we probably want you to, because we got like Halloween truck or treat.
I might as well do it now.
Yeah,
I noticed the The other one, damn, I don't have a can of ether with me, do I? Damn it. They popped the tire on the front right.
People told me about it. I never tried that. I just tied a rope around it.
Oh, I know.
But you gotta have a compressor to blow air fast through it.
Yep.
I heard ether. You put ether around it, then light it with the match, and it poof.
Yep. I've seen it done. I've done it.
I've seen it done, but I've never actually did it.
It's amazing how that works, life. Life sometimes is amazing. I've seen people, man, older than me and you by years that don't know nothing. And it's like, how did you survive? Better yet, what did you do the last 60 years?
Oh, there's so many people out there. Oh yeah, there's so much work down here, even around Sanibel, Sarasota.
Yeah, I've...
all that area through there. Work to grow, fishing, that stuff.
I think my biggest problem... My biggest problem with it is I've gone working places and had them leave me. Yeah. End up BS happening and getting fired over stupidity. And I've been left at jobs and I've been stranded, and I've gone all the way out to places, people saying there's work and not be work. Oh, I know. I don't want to show up and start knocking on doors. I'd like to find someone to subcontract with.
I imagine there's hundreds of people up and down there.
Hey man, I got the truck and trailer. You keep me busy and you pay me right, I'll stay busy. Yeah. You know? All I ask you, treat me right, man. You know, that ain't too much to ask. You know, I know there are going to be some long days ahead of us, but doable. Oh.
Some other 2x4s too, but we bought a little bit more on one side. The other is 2x4s.
Oh. Let me grab... I've been using the shit out of these since I got them out of my uncle's. I hope I use these things for a long time. All these screws. There's more than that in there, man. I just couldn't keep everything. So let's do this. You two off. 5 will hold. Wait, there's more on there. Whoever thought of that little magnet on the drill. Yeah. Did Tim tell you I was over here, or did you just hear me? Yeah, I just got done mowing his house. Trying to be positive, man. Hopefully this was worth it. Ah, the elusive hidden screw. At least someone had some smarts. They used the galvanized decking screws. Did you ever hear about the man from Nantucket? Wait a minute, I guess I should ask, are you alright with adult jokes? Ah. Woo! Get out of there. Get out of there. Oh. Yeah, it overpowered me. Could you come right here for a second? Okay. Just stand there. I am thin. I am thin. I don't have a belly. Yeah. Ooh. Alrighty then. Yeah, just give me 1 second. Let me attack this 2x4 on the side of it. Well, that's why I figure the best thing I can do is just try to mow it out.
Yeah. There's so many big ass chunks for the blade off. The lawnmower. Need a tractor, a bucket. Need a little bucket.
You almost do need a little skid steer to clear it out. Well, that's where I didn't know if I should take a Sawzall to the front of this lawnmower and take a chunk out of the front so that way I could use it like a little auger. Or no, it wouldn't be an auger.
They got a whole lot of mattress around the front too right there. Something through on this side.
Yeah, if I didn't know any better, I'd say that guy across the alley had something to do with it.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt that either.
I've been an asshole to people, but usually you gotta give me a reason.
Yeah, he's the real asshole, let me tell you. Back it up and make it tip the ground, that'd be good. At least it's up.
I mean, I'm working with what I got here and what I got, and unless you want to redo the whole fence, man.
That's the only way it's done. You don't want to spend your money.
You know, and then I can come over here and straighten up these sides.
Yeah, it's all gonna
I guess let me walk around there now and I could do that. Because I don't think if I break it, I guess I'm over there to screw it. Oh, think then, think then, think then. Yeah, because I didn't realize I'm going to have to mow all this down. Oh.
You can't do it.
Well, that's where I'd use that junk one I have.
You'll still ruin that too.
Well, that one's already ruined.
No sense ruining something that you
That blade back there's already ruined. That mower's one I found scrapping one night.
Yeah, when you use those big chunks, man. Ooh.
Well, that's where I figure I'd use that junk mower.
There's all kinds of people out there with those little bobcats. If you come down here with that bobcat, be out here. And make us
Well, that's where I kind of got upset a few years ago. Oh no! I lost my tip. It's been sticking with the drill bit heads. One of my brother's friends had one of those ride behind bobcat. You know, it's just a little bit bigger than that lawnmower. See, and Yeah, when I found out he sold it, I was sad.
Oh, wow.
I told my brother that thing. I said it might have been pushing the weight for the trailer, but we could have beefed up the trailer.
Oh, yeah.
And man, we could have made some money with that.
Yeah.
Fuck, I'd have it and just store it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, there's concrete blocks back here.
Oh, yeah, you're gonna find all kinds of. Well, let me carry that mattress around.
Hey, throw it in the truck, throw it in the trailer, I'll drive around.
Yeah, just throw it in back.
Yeah, if you're gonna throw it away here, then you don't have to walk that thing around, and I gotta drive around anyways. Otherwise, I gotta push my lawnmower way back over here. Oh, do I got a couple more screws? I think I do. There might be screws up there I could use. Let's grab 2 of my galvanized.
Oh, at least it's up.
Yeah.
You've got a dog over there.
Oh, okay.
I was worried about the dog. The dog's so scared of anything.
Well, if something could get in there, there are coyotes around here.
Yeah.
I'm done.
People always talk about it, but
I've seen them. I've seen them at night, late night.
have you?
Yeah. But usually late night.
Dogs, probably wild dogs. Maybe.
No, these things are coyotes. It's not a fucking coyote, man. It's a wolf. I've seen German shepherds. I've seen chows. I owned 2 Australian cattle dogs.
Really?
These things that I seen, man, were not.
Australian ones?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But the Mad Max dogs. But yeah. The one thing that's crazy is those dogs, you can tell there's something
This is all
else.
the city's property. The city ought to maybe come and take care of all this.
Well, that's where the catch-22 is. It's
Yeah, they won't do it unless people really complain about it.
no.
Most of it's out towards the street area where they look down the street.
Now, as far as I know, they would